Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use YouTube TV. To start, go to tv.youtube.com and sign up with your Google account. You can try it for free to see if it fits your needs. The basic plan costs $72.99 per month, and you can add extra channels if you want. Once you're in, you'll see three main sections: Home, Live, and Library. Home shows recommended shows and movies. Live gives you a traditional TV guide where you can see what's currently playing. In the Library section, you'll find any shows you add to your collection. YouTube TV has unlimited DVR, so you can record as many shows as you like. To add a show to your library, use the search tool to find it, then click the Add button. This will automatically record future episodes. You can use YouTube TV on your desktop, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV by downloading the app. The layout is the same across devices, so it's easy to navigate. That's it for how to use YouTube TV. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.